Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to test your Ozonator using the Spa Ozone Detection Kit. Before we get started, let's identify the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: pliers, scissors or a knife, Phillips head screwdriver, gloves, and safety glasses. Parts you will need: 30-second Spa Ozone Detection Kit. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the equipment compartment door. Step 3. Put on your gloves and safety glasses. Step 4. Open the Spa Ozone Detection Kit and read the directions carefully. Step 5. With your pliers, break approximately 1/4 inch off each end of the glass tube. Be careful not to break too much. Just break the tips off so that ozone can flow through the test tube. Step 6. Cut the small clear 1/4 inch tubing in half with your scissors. Place both pieces over each end of the glass tube. Step 7. Disconnect the ozone tube from the ozonator. Notice the yellow flow arrow on the glass tube. Make sure the flow arrow is pointed away from the ozonator when you do the test. Step 8. Push the outlet end of the clear tubing into the ozone tube. Push the other end of the clear tubing into the larger blue tubing from the test kit. Connect the larger blue tubing to the ozonator. Step 9. Reconnect power to the spa. Step 10. Watch the blue media in the glass tube and count for 30 seconds. If the blue does not change to white, it means your ozonator is bad. If the color of the media in the glass tube changes from blue to white, it means your ozonator is working good. Repeat this test every 6 to 9 months to ensure your spa water is getting ozone. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.